E51 troubleshooting method. Now, our main board shows E51. The roof of our car is plugged in. Then the power supply on the top of the car is also normal. But there is no communication. Now we're the first to check. It's the lower right corner of our main board. A CAN plus for CN3. CAN minus. Check the label of this line. Is there any error with this logo on the main board? Then a communication line of this CN3. Look at a communication line. It was received on the TX of our board. Take our multimeter and measure it. CAN plus and CAN minus. CAN plus and CAN plus in the lower right corner of the main board. Check if it is on and off. Under normal circumstances, it will pass. Then TX's CAN minus and the CAN minus lower right corner of our main board. It's also going to work. Then we check the main board and the main board and interface board. No problem. We'll check again later. CAN plus and CAN minus traveling cable. CAN plus and CAN minus. Check that the cable goes all the way to the top of the car. It extends all the way to the roof of the car. CAN plus and CAN minus. First step. It is definitely necessary to check the CAN plus and CAN minus of the accompanying cable. 2 wires. Is it broken? Or bad contact? If we were to check, just cut off the electricity to it. After breaking. After it breaks, we find a short cable. Short circuit CAN plus and CAN minus. Then let these 2 ends turn on. After conduction, let's go to the top of the car and follow the cable. Go directly to CAN plus and CAN minus. If it works, prove that there is no problem with our 2 wires. If it doesn't work, prove that it is our 2 lines. One of them must be broken. At this point, we're going to look at both ends in turn. Then check the entire cable. After checking that there is no problem with the cable, we're going to check again. Signal wiring of the traveling cable. After checking the cable, we're going to take a look now. A communication cable of our car roof communication board. Check the CAN plus of the roof communication board. CAN minus and the signal match? Here we find the signals of CAN plus and CAN minus are not matched. These 2 are wrong. We can swap it. After making an exchange, we can check again. Check the JP6 on the top again, 301302. This cable is connected to the communication board of the car roof. Check if this line is loose. Or is it inside the line? The possibility of direct breakage. Just take the universal watch and turn it on and off. Then there is no problem here. Then we'll take our all-purpose watch again. Hit CAN plus and CAN plus on the accompanying cable to turn off one. If you say, CAN minus also pass, then we're done checking. Explain our CAN plus from main board to interface board. There is no problem with the CAN minus line. Then ours goes to our interface board. Then go to ours through the accompanying cable. The cable of the car roof communication board. No problem either, if the E51 failure is still reported. At this point, set our multimeter to ohm. Let's measure its omega value. CAN plus and CAN minus. Look at our multimeter. It has 132 ohms. Under normal circumstances, well, it's all 120 ohms. Then 130 ohms is also normal. Prove that the communication value of our main board is fine. Plug it back in now. Then take a look. A communication value of our car roof communication board. CAN plus and CAN minus. Then there is also a 134 ohms value. The communication board of the car roof and its main board. The communication ohm values are all the same. At this moment, we should check to see if he has a deal. If it is with an agreement, he will also report the E51 failure. Communication is not possible.